Today, I will be demonstrating the Color Image Import tool, a new feature in version 7. In this video, I will use this tool to generate the parts to make a Betsy Ross flag from a color image. I'll start by navigating to the source image. I'll resize the image to fit well on a 24-inch square sheet. Now I'll change the color tolerance parameter to a value that produces more accurate geometry. The software will analyze the image and break it into different color groups. In this case, the tool has converted the image into 4 layers: white stripes, red stripes, stars, and the star field. I'll name them to avoid confusion. I want the stars to be cutouts of the blue field, not individual parts, so I'll move them to the correct layer by selecting them and changing active layers. I can then delete the unused stars layer. I also want my white layer to be a base on which to mount the other pieces. Currently, this layer is just the stripes. I'll select and delete these, and draw a rectangle over the image's full area. The parts are finished, so I'll head into the CAM module. I can't cut these pieces stacked on top of each other, so I'll distribute them across the material with a nest. Now, I'll move to the CNC module where you can see that the program is ready to run. The Color Image Import tool is a powerful and easy way to bring signs, logos, and even drawings into the version 7 software. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you have any further questions or visit us online at FlashCutCNC.com.